Hi everyone, welcome to KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn one more new chart, that is line chart, and so far we have covered all these charts, and these charts are available in the playlist. If you have missed watching this, please do go and check out from there. And the data set today we are using is the same data set. For all the charts, we are using the Superstore e-commerce data set, which has the customer information, order information, region, and the sales information. So coming to this line chart, so far wherever we have seen, right, all the charts which we have covered, whether it is column chart, bar chart, stacked column chart, all these types of charts we have more extensively we have used only numerical value and categorical value. Even in legend we used to add the categorical value, so more oftenly we have used only numerical and categorical value. So now in this line chart we will be learning how to use the date information, time analysis, how we can do date information, how we can add. So this is the line chart, and let's drag and drop the skeleton of this line chart. So now we need to fill this form. So axis first time, till now we have started adding the categorical values, right? Now first time we are adding the date column, that is order date. In this data set we have order date as a date column, so we are adding the order date. And as you already know, values will take the numerical value, right? So we will take the sales value. So now here we can do the time period analysis, means what is the sales happening during 2016? It is 4,84,000. Now that has dropped to 4,70,000 during 2017. And again it has increased in 2018 to 6,09,000, and 2019 again it has increased to 7 lakhs. So this time related information year wise, not only year wise, okay, if I in this date hierarchy you are seeing, right, order date, if I remove this year I can see quarter wise how the sales is, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So here we can see it is slowly it is increasing. So quarter, not only quarter, month wise also, Jan what is the sales and Feb what is the sales. So if we see here, Feb is making the minimum sales only 59,000, and the maximum sales is happening during November. Why November maximum sales is happening? Because since we said, right, this data set is Superstore data set for United States, US region. So there are some few days, right, like Black Friday or Thanksgiving Day. This all falls under this period, right? So here that's why there is a maximum sales happening at November. So with respect to the time, right, time or date, month or day, not only month, even for day we can see the analysis. So at day 1 what is the sales, day 2 what is the sales, and at day 17 we can see the highest sales, 1,12,000 is the highest sales at day 17th. So this kind of analysis we can do. We can see the cyclic, okay, so this will be one cyclic, this will be one cyclic. So the trends we can see the trends, how the sales happening over a period of time along with the cycles. So now this is fine, okay, sales I am able to see. Now let's take again this for year wise we will see, okay. So this is fine, year wise I am able to see the sales. Now for the same year I also want to see, so when there is a sales I wanted to see how the profit is with respect to sales. So in the same field, right, here if you see in this form, secondary axis you can see, right, here you can drag and drop the profit. This also will again take the numerical value. So this will be the normal values, and this will be the secondary values. Secondary values we have added the profit. So in the same visual I can see both how the sales is performing. So this light blue color is the profit and dark blue color will be the sales. So both the things I can see how the sales is happening at 2016, how it is happening at 2017. So this kind of information we can get it from the line chart. When we want to compare, right? Compare the sales and profit both at the same time over a period of time, for a year or quarter or month or date or whatever the time analysis, right? We can see it from the line chart. And now there is one more scenario, okay? Only sales I wanted to see for a particular year, but since we have this legend, right? Legend means, it's like a additional information. So year-wise sales I wanted to see across all the regions. Okay, so I'll drag and drop the region towards the legend. So now for each region, the colors here you can see, right? Central, east, south, and west. So each region, how it is performing. What is the sales happening, towards the south region in 2016? What is the sales happening? 1,03,000 at the south region, and then again it has dropped to 71,000, and from there again it has improved towards 93,000 sales it is making, and from there again it has improved to 1,22,000. This is about the south region. Similarly, we can make out for other regions as well. So what are the takeaways for this line chart is, when you want to plot numerical data with any date like year or quarter, month, week, day or day, whatever the any date related information, right? So this will be helpful when we wanted to do all the time based analysis, and best chart to see the trends, where it is increasing, where it is decreasing, right? Here we have seen, so how it is stable or it is decreasing or it is increasing. So this kind of trends we can see when we take, right, like month wise you can see the trends, right? How it is falling, how it is increasing, again how it is coming down. So this cyclic trends we can see for the period, right? We can see it from the line chart. So also we can have a date, and we can have one numerical and one numerical. One will be the values and the other numerical will be the secondary axis, where we have added the profit, and here the readability is good. So then again we can have a date column with one categorical. Here it is the legend and one numerical. And here when you are adding, right, now I have this order date, I have the legend, I have the sales. Now again, if you want to see profit as well here, when you try to drag and drop, this will not take this column. See, I'm trying to drag and drop this profit, right? It will not accept it. It will not accept it. Only these three columns only it will accept. More than three, it will not accept. So date and legend and values. So in this case, you cannot go with the secondary values. So yeah, this is about the line chart. Thank you. Thanks for watching.